Up it goes.
I went to IKEA over the weekend and I am currently transitioning some of my rooms for spring and summer. I wanted to bring a little bit more of lightness and brightness into the space, as if that's even possible with an all-white room. What I actually mean is, in the room, if you guys have been following me for some time, I am sitting currently in what is called the sunroom, which we call it our family room because this is the room that we have our TV in. And there's a lot of draperies. You can see behind me, it goes all the way around the walls. So I decided I wanted to sort of refresh the walls. I wanted to see the trim again on my windows. And so I went to IKEA purposely looking for Roman shades, and I wanted to share with you the ones I picked up and some other goodies that are in the bag that I just randomly picked up that I think maybe would strike some interest with you. I also am going to style some of the pieces that I purchased and show you what they look like in my home. Okay, so for my windows that I am going to change out, and funny enough, just yesterday, one of my dear followers wrote me and had asked for a tutorial or a reel showing how I actually mounted these curtains that look very expensive, very high end. And honestly, guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I will put my link right up here. I do a lot of reels and DIYs and kind of a lot of fun home decor stuff on there. So make sure that you follow me there. But in the reel, I showed using a $4 metal curtain rod that you can get at any home store, Walmart, Target, and created this track system across my wall. And then I hung lots of drapery. So you guys will have to click on that reel and watch how exactly I mounted them. I give directions right inside the post. Make sure you're reading the post and click on that. So anyway, so I will be removing these, and I ran to IKEA. I actually made an online order and had to pick them up. And so I purchased the Ring Blama. I have a lot of fun saying these names. So these are 34 by 63 inches wide. They're like a linen, here, let me open it up. They're like a linen type fabric. You can kind of see right through it. I don't know what that was. They come like this. I think I have this right? Backwards, sorry. They come like this. And I think they're so pretty. So I bought 6 because I have 6 windows going all the way around in this room. And I'm excited to see this transition. I'm excited to see a little bit more brightness, because honestly, guys, even though the room is white and there's technically a lot of light that leaks into the space, the heavy drapery was beautiful over the fall and winter. And now for spring, summer, I kind of want to brighten it up just a little bit more. And I'm doing that by removing the all the cloth that's there. So there's a lot of panels and still beautiful. I might just take these and put them back up in the fall. But for now, for this season, I'm excited to try the Roman shades and give the room a little bit of a freshening up. So my haul isn't all too exciting. I mean, I personally love watching hauls no matter what they are. So you may or may not find this interesting, but I just picked up some things that I needed for the house. I came across these pillows. There's a lot of pillows to choose from IKEA. And I love their display where you're able to like feel them and squish them. And so these ones were on display. They're the Luntroff. And I got a queen size. I got 2 of these, and I plan on putting these on my bed. We sleep with these standard size pillows, and I have the king size pillows, but these are the ones that I typically like right behind my neck. So the ones that we have are getting a little kind of flat, so I decided it was time for new pillows. And I saw these on display and really loved the way they felt. And I will let you know in an upcoming video how these worked out. But so far, I really like the feel, and I think they're gonna work really, really great. Let's go ahead and open one up and see what they look like. Hopefully it doesn't explode in my face. So these are the down pillows. So they're really, really luxurious for a fraction of the price. and you kind of have to fluff them up. Oh, they feel so nice. So these were, I believe, $20. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the Roman shades, or the the Roman shades were $24.99, and I believe these were $19.99. The Luntrals pillows. I always take these things off, guys. They always tell you not to. I don't ever know why. Probably because of children maybe eating it. I don't know. Do not remove tag except by the consumer. Okay, so that's me. I guess I can remove it. So this is 90% duck feathers and 10% duck down. Contents have been sterilized. Okay, well that's good to know. So I'm excited to sleep with these new pillows. And so yeah, so that is what I purchased. I'm just gonna toss these puppies over there. Over the winter, our coat closet just got inundated with tons of extra hoodies and cardigans and jackets. And so my closet pole actually came down twice from all the weight. So my dear husband had to secure it 2 times now. Second time, he really secured it with some anchors. And so we needed extra hangers for the space. And so I went and bought these nice wood ones. I just felt like they're sturdy enough to hold winter coats, and we're gonna get ready to put our coats down in storage downstairs in our basement. So I figured I'd think ahead and buy these now. So most of you know, if you are following me on Instagram, I've been sharing a lot about my bathroom remodel that I have been working on, and it's taking a little bit because my husband and I both have other jobs that we do, and so we have to pause and then do it when we're free. And so it has been so long, but I'm excited about it. And I found these little cute black bottles for shampoo and conditioner. You can obviously put a label on there, but we are doing a very wabi-sabi minimalist type of bathroom. I've already plastered the wall. If you want to see some behind the scenes of that, go follow me on Instagram and catch the highlight under bath remodel, and you'll see all that content there. But I thought these would be really fun to add right inside the shower. And you know, guys, these are great because even if you sometimes have a favorite shampoo and it's not the most aesthetic, this is a way to kind of get that cohesive, uniform look in your bathroom. Very minimalist, very aesthetic. This is the way to do it. So, and you guys can, like, again, print your own labels or just leave them like that. I would maybe put the sticker on the bottom so you know which one's shampoo, which one's conditioner. Not the most exciting, but I got a black toilet scrubber just so that it matches my bathroom, because I have like a marbled one now and it will not go whatsoever. So I figured this was only like $1.99. I know it's not exciting. Okay, so the next thing I got, I'm completely just surprised at myself that I even bought it, but they've been growing on me. I used to always love plants, and I used to always love plants, but have always killed them. So I never incorporated greenery or plants inside my space, only because I'm not the best at caring for them. I tend to forget, or I tend to overwater. I'm sure a lot of you can kind of relate to that. But lately I have been doing really well with plants, surprisingly. I still have a gorgeous orchid that I've had probably for 6 months now and going strong, as well as some other little succulents and things that I have here. But I wound up purchasing these. I bought 2. I'm not gonna hold both up, I'll hold one up. I bought these 2 gorgeous, look at this, the stem on that, the braided stem. I believe these are what they call money trees. The correct name is Pachira aquatica. There's the name right there. And they are beautiful. I mean, guys, look at their leaves. And I just love the braided stem of these. And so the pot is completely ugly, but I do plan on buying some planters. And I was gonna get them at IKEA. There were these concrete ones there. They were $19.99. They were the large size, but they only had 1 and I needed 2. So I left that one behind and I decided to buy my own pots, and I didn't get a chance to do that before this video, so I will have to show you that later. So I was at checkout and I was making my way down, sounds like that song. So I was making my way down to checkout and they had the scratch and dent and sort of like returned items to the one side, and I saw this rug. It caught my eye. And I do not need another rug, but I wound up taking the one off that was in this current room because my husband spilled coffee. We had Stanley Steamer come in to clean it all up, but technically, sorry guys, they made more, it spread more into the carpet and the carpet started turning yellow. And so it was not cute. So I rolled up the carpet and we had to trash it. So I've been without a rug here. So let me show you what I got. Oh, it's heavy. So it's like this woven, beautiful, very Scandinavian look to this rug. I mean, I completely love it. I wish I could hold it up higher. Let's see. Can you guys see? And let me show you the back side of it. You see? It's just so soft. And I do believe that this is in stock. It retails for $199. This is a 7-foot, 5x7 foot rug. I do believe it's only one size. I wish it was a lot larger, but it was on clearance for $129, probably because someone purchased it and returned it right away. It is in complete mint condition. But I'm happy I stole it for a few bucks less, and I plan on styling it here for now. I'm going to, right after this video, I'm going to style this whole room, and I'm praying that it works in this space because the space needs the rug. My only concern with the rug is that it may be too small for this large space. So we'll see. If it doesn't work in this room, then I will style it in another room and show you guys. So let's get to styling and let me show you what I did with all of this stuff. Minus the toilet brush. I won't show you that.